Okay, now in this video, I'm gonna explain to you on the addition and the subtraction formula. Okay, now what is addition and subtraction formula? Basically, addition and subtraction is actually the addition and the subtraction of two angles. Alright, so for example, the first one, if you are given the sine A plus B, so you have the angle A and the angle B. So addition of a two angle. Okay, so addition of a two angle for sine A plus by B, the formula given is sine A cos B plus by cos A sine B. Alright, now the second one, if you have sine A minus by B, now this is subtraction. This is the first angle A, the second angle is B. So the formula says that you're going to have sine A cos B minus by cos A sine B. Okay, then you have the cosine, the addition of a two angle A plus B, you're going to get cos A cos B minus by sine A sine B, and the subtraction, cos A minus by B equivalent to cos A cos B plus by sine A sine B. Okay, for the tangent, tangent A plus B equivalent to tangent A plus by tangent B over by 1 minus by tangent A multiplied by tangent B. Okay, then the last one would be tangent A minus by, which is subtraction, equivalent to tangent A minus tangent B over by 1 plus by tangent A multiplied by tangent B. So do not worry, the formula will be given to you for the quizzes or the final exam. So you just have to know how to apply the formula because the formula is given. Now let's look at the example from your textbook. The first one would be, okay, this one. From the page of 53, example 8. The question asks you to find the exact value of each expression. So the first one, the question asks you cosine 105. Now basically, you don't have to really use the addition and subtraction. But you have to think of it, can we get it straight away from the 105? Let's say you have a special angle, or using the reference angle, using the periodic or the even odd. Okay, like this one, it is not a special angle. Your special angle are only 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, so you have to remember back that one back in maths 1. Okay, I'm just going to write lah. Okay, your special angle are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, so because 105 is more than 90 degrees, suppose that you have to use a reference angle. But even though if you use a reference angle, it's not going to be nice because this one going to be fall like quadrant 2. This is 105. Now your balance here is going to be 75. So still 75, there is no special angle in there. So what we can do, we try to utilize or you try to apply the rule of addition and subtraction of the two angles. So what is the two angles from your special angle that can become a 105, whether it's subtraction or addition? So over here, basically if you have a cosine 45 degrees plus by 60 degrees, basically will give you 105. So these two are the same thing. Cosine 105, you can actually separate by cosine 45 plus by 60 degrees. So over this side, it become already addition formulas. So what is the addition formula? If you cannot remember, refer to the formula back. Okay, so they say that the cosine A plus by B equivalent to cosine A cosine B minus by sine A sine B. Now identify your angle A and angle B. Over here, your angle A is equivalent to 45 degrees. Angle B is equivalent to 60 degrees. Apply the rule, just simply substitute into the formula, which is cosine 45 multiplied by cosine 60 degrees minus by sine 45 degrees multiplied by sine 60 degrees. Now, they ask for exact value, so you have to know what are the exact value cosine 45, cosine 60. So that's this one all back in maths 1. So over here, cosine 45 will give you sec 2 over by 2. Cosine 60 degrees will give you half. Okay, minus by sine 45 will give you sec 2 over by 2. Sine 60 will give you sec 3 over by 2. Okay, now don't leave your answer as such this. So simplify. So you will get this one will be sec 2. 2 multiplied by 2 become 4 minus by sec 2 multiplied by sec 3 will give you sec 6. Okay, over by 2 multiplied by 2 you have 4. Then you can leave your answer as such as simple, nicer writing or form. You have sec 2 minus by sec 6 over by 4. So that is going to be your final answer. Okay?